We're super excited to be here.
I'm excited to be here. I'm very excited to be here.
The answer is, and always is, to use technology.
The search engine is only as powerful as the user behind it.
It's important to follow your passion because your passion is what stimulates your hustle.
I had an idea in my head and a drawing.
I started planning for growth and looking for investors.
Elevating this category is something that nobody on the market has done.
One of the services that we provide is user experience strategy. It's a piece of equipment that helps you get in and out of bed.
This allows you to take all the things in your house and turn those into stocks and trade them.